Hey guys, I'm going to show y'all a haul of everything that I got. Alrighty, so first I got this shirt yesterday from Ross. And yes guys, I am a kid and they don't have this in the kids section. I'm going to tell you guys what section I got it in. Okay guys, so I got this in the junior section in extra small, just in case you were wondering. So I got this cute little Dr. Pepper shirt in the junior section in extra small. I was going to get this one thing from Von Mar, and that was also in the junior section, but we decided not to get it. For try-on hauls and stuff, I need to have my light on, but yeah. Alright, next, this is from Buckle. Buckle actually has the cutest clothes though, and like especially for me, because if you guys didn't know, I'm actually from Brownsville, Texas, and I'm also half white. I'm Mexican and white, so like I'm half Mexican, half white, like that's my DNA. Like 50% Mexican, 50% white. That's my actual DNA. So like at Buckle, they had the most cutest clothes ever. And my parents literally met in Florida. So like they have really pretty Western cute clothes. So I had to go there. Alrighty. First I got this camo top. Let me go try it on. Okay, next we got this cute little camo shirt. That's like tight kind of right here, and like it looks like oversized on this part, and it says Go West T. So yeah guys, I really like this, but I don't know which one to wear tomorrow. So now let's try on the next one. Okay guys, this is the last thing I got. So I got this really pretty like cow print thingy, you know. Like it's just a cow print. It feels like a freaking blanket. I love this so much. It's like tight. It's a tight long sleeve t-shirt. A long sleeve shirt, and it has like bunchiness right here. So cute. So cute. I love Buckle. I got this in the kids area in a medium. Wait, no, in a small, because a medium was going to be too big for me. I got this in a small. Bye. Have a good day or good night.